Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb, and today we are doing beef and broccoli in the crock pot. Okay, so what I'm going to do is 1 cup of beef broth. Then we're going in with 1/2 cup of soy sauce. I'm using low sodium. Okay, then we need 1/3 cup of brown sugar. And then 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Nice heaping spoon. Okay, friends, let's stir that up. Turning my crock pot on low, we'll be cooking this for 5 hours on low. Okay, now 1.5 pounds of beef, whatever that looks like to you. This is specifically stew meat. Okay, stir that up. We do not throw in the broccoli yet because I don't want it to be mushy. But when we do get to that point, we're going to throw some broccoli in there because we do have a couple other things to do. I will see you in a few hours. Pop the lid on it. Okay, friends, another thing that I wanted to put in here was some sesame seed oil. You don't have to, but I really think this is going to make it taste more authentic. So that's just a teaspoon. That will really bring out the flavor in this. Just stir that in there. Perfect. Okay. Whew. Oh my gosh, so sorry. Okay, there. Now you can see. Now you can see. Okay, just gonna give this a little stir. Okay, what we want to do next is pour in 3 teaspoons of water. 3 tablespoons. My goodness. This is 3 tablespoons of water. Okay, we're doing 3 tablespoons because I want to thicken that up real good. Of starch. And just give that a nice mix. So that way that could get thickened up because look at, we want that into a gravy. That's going to taste delicious on your rice. I'm choosing Asian rice to go with this. Okay, we'll just pour that in there. Stir it around just a bit. Now, my friends, broccoli. I'm just throwing the whole thing in there. 12 ounces of broccoli. Boy, those are really big broccolis. But you know what? They will cook down also. Okay. See you in a few hours. Okay, friends, this is what it looks like. Nice. Okay, I'm going to get it plated up. And I like the texture of that juice. Hopefully you made some rice while this was cooking. Just gonna scoop her up. Get some of that juice. That looks really good. So, where are you from? Is it raining where you're at? We're here in Iowa and we're having storms today. So it kind of looks pretty dark in the kitchen. Okay. Now the meat is just falling apart. I'll get a little bit. Okay, and some rice. Trying to get the rice on there, but then the meat's about to fall off. Okay, here, I got a little of everything. This is delicious. Oh. Oops. This is something that you definitely want to make. It turned out fabulous. I love it. I can't wait to make it again. Okay, friends. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. But most of all, friends, keep cooking. And I love you all.